I'm gonna show you how to shoot hotel reels all by using your phone the easy way. Let's go. So always use it to your advantage when you first arrive to your hotel room, that it's clean, it's tidy. You want to make sure that you take all of the angles possible. Take some close-up shots while your room is clean, because after a while it's gonna be all messy. So if you're wondering how I usually shoot my shots, I just use this simple step that I do. So this is the camera movement that I always do in all of my reels. If you see it on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts, this is what I do. So you simply hold it with both of your hands, and then you slowly move from left to right, you decide. So it's gonna look like this. See? That's my technique. Try it and your shots will look really professional and clean. So the shots that you need to take are the ones that really look interesting. It could be a painting or the lamp or the lighting or how the furnitures are arranged. Start shooting different angles. Make sure you take a lot of shots, not just one angle, so you can maybe stay on this corner or that corner. Just take a lot of shots possible if you can. By the way, you can also get a copy of my ebook, which I placed down on the link below, and it contains all of my reel tips that you can read all by yourself wherever you are, so you're always guided of what to do when you're trying to shoot on your own, whether you're in a cafe or restaurant. Get a copy right now.